Welcome back everybody to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna teach you how to change your profile picture in your YouTube channel. So we're here at the computer, the desktop. So you have first thing you need to do is to click your profile picture over here and go to your channel. So we have to do this as fast as we can. So click your recent profile picture. It will lead you to the YouTube studio. Here you can see if you wanted to remove it or change it. So all you have to do is to change it, and of course you have to go to your files and you just have to click it and click open, and yeah, and after that you need to click this one, publish. So that's how easy to change the profile picture on your YouTube channel. The same thing in the banner. If you want to change it or if you want a new one, you can actually change it or just upload a new one. So if you like this video, please subscribe for more videos to come. See you next time.